If you want to remove objects from a photo on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, then first of all we can go to the gallery and we're gonna open a photo which we want to edit. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. Now we can press this pen icon at the bottom of the screen. We want to tap on this icon with 4 circles, and then here we have the object eraser. At first we will have some suggestions, most likely. However, there is also a chance that nothing will be done. So we can tap or draw around anything that you want to erase. So let's say I'm gonna try to erase these earbuds over here. Let's select them. There we go, and then we can press erase. And there we go, it is pretty much done. However, as you can see, the job is semi-done because we have some things left. So I can still select the area again and try to erase again to see if it helps. And as you can see, it looks much better now. So we can press done. If you want to save over the original photo, then you can simply press save. However, if you want to keep the original photo as well, then tap on these 3 dots instead and choose save copy. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!